Hi my friends, how are you today? Hope you are good. Let's play something. We are getting bored, so let's play something. Let's think what should we play? What should we play? Okay, let's play with some clay. Oops, my clay is finished. I don't have clay with me. What should I do? Let's make some clay then. Yes, let's make some clay. To make a homemade clay, we require only 3 things. We require some maida, we require some salt and any food oil. And to give it a color, we require some food color. Okay, let's start. First, we will take some maida in a big bowl and we will add it together. And now, let me take some salt and I will mix it with maida. And now, what we will do, we will mix it together. Like this, we will mix it together. And then we will add some oil into it. A little bit oil we require, and we will mix it together. Yes, but it's of white color, so I don't like white clay, so let's add some color. Yes, I have some more red food color. We will add some red food color into it, and we will mix it together. See how beautiful red color is coming. Can you see it? Yes. And parents, by mixing this together, it will help their finger muscle to build and it will increase their gross motor skills also. Fine motor skills and gross motor skills. And let's mix it together. Yes, like this. Very nice. And I will add 1 spoon of water into it. Yes, only a little bit of water. See? Wow, such a beautiful color. Are you all liking it? Yes. And it's a homemade clay. It's chemical free clay. Yes. Wow. And we all are making this clay at home. Are you all excited to play with it? I am. I am excited to play with it. See? Wow. How nice. And if you don't have food color, so don't worry. You can take haldi powder and you can give your clay a yellow color. Yes. You can take a little help of your mama papa to make clay. Yes, my clay is almost ready. See? See, my clay is ready to play. See how beautiful. Wow, I'm so happy I made this clay at home. And you can take some molds. If you have clay molding with you, you can take some molds and make different shapes out of it. Yes. Are you all excited to play with it? And you have to share clay making videos to me.